Welcome guys, today I have for you a Royal Master model TG12X3. This machine is wired for 440 volts. Machine does come equipped with the automatic INFEED and a small counter up top right here. We do have the regulating wheel, the grinding wheel, and our two dressers that are operated hydraulically. So for example, up over here, we'll go ahead and play with this lever. If we pull it in, you can see our head pulls out. And then if we reverse that, you can see it comes back in. These two dials will be for our speed setting. So if we go ahead and close these up a little bit, you might not get it. You see how the movement gets a little bit slower? And that's going to be the same concept for this, but this hand wheel is just reverse and it's on the underside. As you can see, you pull it in and the dresser comes out, and we could go ahead and reverse that for you. We do have our lube tanks. We have two right here to lubricate our ways for the dressers, and then we have one more right here to go ahead and lubricate everything that's going on over here for our automatic INFEED. So with all that being said, we'll go ahead and get our grinding wheel started. Right there. You can also see that our regulating wheel is on right here and operational. A little tucked away over there. To increase and decrease the speed of the regulating wheel, you'd want to go ahead and mess around with this hand wheel right here. As you can see, as I'm spinning it, the wheel is slowly getting faster and faster. We do have a little bit more speed on that now. And now I'll go ahead and demonstrate our automatic INFEED right here. So you'll go ahead, turn it on, and you have two options whether you want it to be manual or automatic. So we'll do automatic, and from there we'll just go ahead, press start. I do apologize about that. The machine does need air to operate. That's why I wasn't doing it. But as soon as I turned on the air, you could see that the machine is now operational. So if the camera wants to follow me around to the back side of the machine, go ahead and demonstrate this little box right back here. Right over here, these are going to be our two timers that will feed for our INFEED, how long it's going to INFEED for, and then the other one will be for the spark out timer, how much it's going to kick out for. So with that dial, you can go ahead and change it within, I believe it's 10 seconds. And every single time we feed, you can see that our little clicker does count up by one. It's just a little addition that the previous owners put onto this machine. Really nice machine, super quiet. And yeah, that basically wraps it up for this machine. Again, this is going to be the Royal Master TG12X3 wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.